In a world 66 million years ago, Earth was a vastly different place. Dinosaurs ruled the land, and life flourished. But then, from the depths of space, a cataclysmic event was about to unfold. The Chicxulub asteroid, a colossal space rock, was on a collision course with our planet. Impact. The result was devastating. The Chicxulub asteroid struck Earth with unimaginable force, unleashing an explosion equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. Wildfires swept through the land, ignited by the intense heat of the impact. Gigantic tsunamis roared across the oceans, inundating coastlines and causing further destruction. But the most profound impact was yet to come. The Chicxulub Impact ejected massive amounts of debris, soot, and dust into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun. This led to a nuclear winter effect, with temperatures plummeting worldwide. The prolonged darkness and cooling disrupted ecosystems, making it nearly impossible for life to thrive. Dinosaurs and many other species faced extinction in the wake of this catastrophic event. The Chicxulub Impact marked the end of an era. Dinosaurs, once the dominant creatures on Earth, vanished from the planet. But from the ashes of this devastation, a new chapter in Earth's history was about to begin. Today, Earth bears witness to the ever-evolving tapestry of life, shaped in part by the cataclysmic events of the past. The Chicxulub Impact serves as a reminder of the incredible forces that have shaped our planet and continue to shape our understanding of the natural world.